I'm Corey Iqbal. I'm a pediatric surgeon at ETSU Health. I wanted to become a doctor because my dad's an anesthesiologist. As a child, I grew up watching him, inspired by him, seeing how much he enjoyed caring for other people. I chose pediatric surgery for a number of reasons. First off, in pediatric surgery, we don't just save lives, we save lifetimes. I also like the humbling aspect of pediatric surgery. When a child's sick, they don't care about my degrees on the wall, how many publications I've had. They just want me to make them feel better. The third reason is in pediatric surgery, I get to care for a wide spectrum of conditions. My job never gets boring. I can go from seeing a 2-week-old child in the office one moment and seeing a 17-year-old child the next. The most rewarding part of my job is getting to see kids recover and get back to being playful, happy children. When a child is sick, it's not just disruptive for the child, but it's disruptive for the whole family unit. Therefore, I take a very family-centered approach to care. We try to make appointments, scheduling surgery as convenient as we can for families. And parents need to be engaged in the care of their child. So I take extra time to explain a child's condition to them, lay out the treatment options so they can make the best decision for their child. An ideal day at work is seeing children come to the office. They're initially scared, they're afraid that we're going to hurt them, and seeing them leave the office just happy and confident that they're going to be feeling better. So I was fortunate enough to train at the Mayo Clinic, which is just a world-renowned institution, and I was really able to develop my patient approach, my surgical skills, modeling after the expertise of such a world-class institution. And I try to apply that philosophy of the Mayo Brothers, which is the only consideration is the best interest of the patient, into my practice every day. What we like most about this region is the absolute beauty of the Appalachian Mountains. When we first landed on our first visit, it was just a breathtaking view. And since then, as we've gotten to know the community, what we've been most impressed is just how welcoming, friendly everyone is. People are very outgoing. They give you the shirt off their back. And we feel very lucky to have been welcomed into this community. Hi, my name's Corey, and I'm a pediatric surgeon at ETSU Health. Thanks for spending time with me, and we look forward to taking care of you at ETSU Health.